You're saving up for your dreams while others are already using opportunities to make them a reality. You save, plan, and postpone while someone else is taking action. Do you want to know how to reach a new income level in 2025? Real success comes when you have a system and a mentor. In this video, I will share 3 key steps to financial literacy in 2025 and break down my simple and proven strategy that has guided me throughout my career and consistently delivered results. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Then pay close attention. What's coming next is crucial. My name is Nathan and I'm a 31 years old and has been a professional trader for 8 years. Our articles are regularly published in leading financial media such as The Economist and Yahoo Finance, where I share my market analysis and insights. In addition, I conduct 2 to 3 offline meetings every month with my students worldwide, helping them take their first steps in trading. If you are a beginner, that's not a problem. Today, you have the chance to break free from the cycle of financial struggle and learn how to achieve real results through trading. The strategy I will show you in this video has been tested for over 3 years. Are you ready to take control of your life? Then let's begin. Stay focused until the very end. Your first step toward financial freedom starts now. Right at this moment, you have the opportunity to join my trading club, where thousands of members have already taken their income to the next level. Here are real results from our traders over the past week. Impressive, right? Here's how it works. Every day, I hold live trading sessions, analyzing trades in real time and explaining every step in detail. All you need to do is apply what I show you. Even if you are a complete beginner, you will quickly understand the process. There is something important to keep in mind. Spots in the community are limited. I personally assist every new participant, so I cannot guarantee that access will remain open tomorrow or even the next hour. Take action now. Click the link in the description or pinned comment and claim your free access. Don't waste time. Pause this video, sign up and come back. Are you in? Great. Now let's move on to the most interesting part. So here's our plan for today. We're starting with 20 and seeing where we end up. First, we select the most relevant currency pairs for today. Now I'll add the moving average indicator to the main settings and adjust it. While setting it up, let me quickly explain how it works. The moving average indicator, also known as a simple moving average, helps identify the trend direction. Today we're using 2 lines. Blue line, period 10, a fast moving average that reacts to minor changes in the chart, and white line, period 25, a slowing moving average that helps define the overall trend. If the blue line crosses the white line, it signals a trend change. When the blue line crosses the white line from the top to bottom, the market is starting to decline. When the blue line crosses the white line from bottom to top, the market is expected to rise. Now that everything is set, let's get started. I'm starting with the Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar. We have an interesting situation here. Initially, the market was moving up, but then the trend weakened and a decline began. Now, let's check the moving average indicator. The blue line has crossed the white line from top to bottom. This is the first sign of a trend reversal. After that, the price reached the support level but failed to break through, leading to a sideways movement. This is called a narrow range, where the price fluctuates between 2 levels without clear direction. The blue line is clearly pointing downward, which is a strong signal for us. We confidently enter a downward trade from the upper boundary of a range. Great start. Let's keep going. Now, let's move on to this pair and make some adjustments. Here, we have a different situation. Initially, there was a downtrend, but then it reversed. The blue line crossed the white line from bottom to top, signaling a potential upward movement. After that, the price entered a sideways range, and the indicator lines became slightly entangled. However, the key observation here is that candles are pressing against the upper boundary. This indicates that buying pressure is increasing. If the upward movement continues, there is a high probability of a breakout and the start of a new trend. We will enter a buy trade as the price approaches the upper boundary of the range with strong bullish candles, confirming the momentum shift. We got it right again. Let's keep going. Next pair, next setup. Here we have a strong uptrend. All indicator values point upwards, confirming that the overall price movement is bullish. However, even in strong trends, correction happens. These are temporary pullbacks before the trend resumes. Right now, the correction is coming at the end, making this the perfect moment to enter a buy trade, expecting the uptrend to continue. That's right. The main thing is to understand whether it is just a correction or it is a real trend reversal. That's exactly why we need our indicators. Next up is the Canadian dollar and Japanese yen. Looking at the chart, I see a trend break. The price has returned to the white moving average to test it as resistance. This is a typical market behavior. After breaking a level, the price often comes back to retest it to confirm the breakout. So now it makes sense to go for a sell, expecting a rebound from the white moving average. Everything is on point. We keep up the pace and move forward. Impressed? Want to know how it works? By now you already understand the key point. You don't need to spend months studying complicated charts or struggling with confusing financial terms. There is a clear and simple way to learn trading, and I'm ready to share it with you. In my trading community, I hold daily live sessions where I analyze the market in real time, break down key steps and explain every decision. You will be able to observe, learn and apply this knowledge without unnecessary complexity or useless theory. What else will you find in my community? Exclusive trade breakdowns that you won't find in open access. There are insights based on real experience and practice. My full support, a mentor who will personally help if anything is unclear. A structured learning approach, suitable even for complete beginners. If you want to learn more, don't wait. Click the link in the description or pinned comment. Sign up and come back. We still have the most important part ahead. Are you ready to move forward? Let's continue. Returning to this pair, 264. As expected, the price broke the level upward and strong movement began. The moving averages are now clearly pointing up. The indicator has fully reversed, so I'm entering a buy trade from the blue line to follow the trend continuation. That's it. No magic, just pure facts and market logic. Let's go back to this pair. Remember to update the value each time. Here we see another correction, but there is no full trend reversal. The price dipped slightly but didn't consolidate below the indicators. After moving back above the moving averages, we follow the trend upward. Excellent! The strategy is working. We're already at 971 and we're just getting started. Now let's check the Australian dollar and Swiss franc. All indicator readings are clearly pointing downward. The price is below them and there is strong downward momentum. I'm not waiting for pullbacks here, just joining the downward movement. We're doing great, already at 1,864 and still going strong. Back to the Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar. The trend is upward, the level has been broken and the price has returned for a retest. The moving averages confirms the uptrend. Perfect setup. Entering a buy position. Once again, everything is spot on. Let's take a couple more trades and then wrap it up. Returning to the Canadian dollar and Japanese yen. After our previous trade on this pair, a strong decline began. The price is moving downward without correction, and the moving averages confirm the downtrend. Joining the movement down. And now we're at 5,730. Hopefully, you remember where we started. Alright, let's move on to the final pairs for today. I want to finish with this pair. Here we have the maximum value again. As expected, the upward movement continues. The price has consolidated above the indicator. Entering a buy position right now. Final move, and our result is excellent, 5,760. Remember, the key is to analyze the situation carefully, stay patient, and follow a clear algorithm. How do you feel about the results? Are you starting to see new possibilities opening up? Your chance to change everything is real. This is not just talk. It is an opportunity you can create for yourself if you take the right step. You've just seen how my system works like a clockwork. But what matters most is the decision you are about to make. You're standing at the turning point. Stay in the shadows or step into the light and take control of your future. Imagine your life as a field. You need to plant the seeds of success. You can keep working alone, which is difficult and uncertain, or you can plant those seeds in soil that is already prepared for growth. In my trading community, you will receive more than just advice. You will get a complete set of tools to build your financial success. I will be there to guide you, showing you exactly how to grow and cultivate your financial future. Step by step, we will build your success together. Click the link in the description or pinned comment. Join my community and let's get started. I'll be waiting inside to show you what to do next.